Hi, this is Evan, and this is Funfest Dailies #1. Starting to rain a bit. It's like not looking too good. But rain, sleet, or snow. Yeah, snow. There's gonna be snow in September. Rain, sleet, or shine. Funfest I will be at. A la Yoda. So, preparing for a thunderstorm. Got my fountain drink that I kept from last year, my umbrella, and me. This is my walking route, as you guys already know. And I'm looking to have a good time, whether it's raining or not. It's about, let's see if I can hold this in this arm. It's in the right pocket. Okay, hold on. It's approximately about 2 p.m. It's 1:58, so hopefully festivities have started, but hopefully not too early. It's starting to rain. And I'll see you guys at Funfest. Awesome. EA is out.